Hi guys. Today continue with the topic business. We'll talk about buying and selling business, which is very common. And there are two ways of acquiring a business. The first way is a management team will acquire a company. So this management team, they can buy out the company they work for, or buy in, which means an external management team will buy into the company. Um, so another way to acquire a business is M&A, mergers and acquisitions. Merger is the company with the same industry or produce the same products will combine with another company. Acquisition, on the other hand, is a little bit different. There are two types of acquisition. First, horizontal. So the company buys another company that makes similar products. And the second type is vertical, which means the company buys another company that makes different products. So I will take the specific example later, okay? So when it comes to measuring the size of the M&A, we have four types. First, small, which is under $500 million. Second, mid-market, ranging from 500 to $2 billion. Next is large, range from $2 to $10 billion. And final, the mega deal, which is above $10 billion. So when a company tries to acquire another company, they should consider four aspects. The first is financial. So they should identify whether there is a financial problems that could affect the future value of the company they are trying to acquire. Second, legal. So they should take into consideration the risks attached to corporate status, assets, securities, intellectual property, employees reshuffling, things like that. The third factors includes, which is commercial. This includes industry trends, market environment, the company's capabilities, and the competition. And finally, the environmental factors. This uncovers the potential liabilities such as any land or water contamination and eliminates remediation costs of that problem. So I will talk about the M&A more specifically, okay? M&A is mergers and acquisitions. So merger, as I've told you before, is when a company, like companies in the same industry, they try to acquire another one. For example, the company A manufacturing luxury cars in the US merges with company B also manufactures luxury cars, but in Italy. So when they merge together, they will have the new company A plus B, and this company will have an expanded market spanning Europe and North America. Acquisition, on the other hand, is in the situation when a company tries to take over another company in different industry, produce different market, different products. For example, company A produces movies. They take over. Company B creates animations. So at the end, the company A will have expertise for producing animated films, and there are many reasons to pursue M&A. First, the company will the company can improve economies of scale because they will have wider operations in different markets. And the second thing is bigger market share. So combining the existing markets can help expand share of the total market, like the example about the company A and B manufactures luxury cars in Italy and the US. So the mutual markets will be the Europe and North America, so which means bigger market share. And lastly is diversification. So in the case of acquisition, different product lineup gives the chance to for the company to cross-sell or create more efficient operations if the products are complementary. For example, in the example that I've just shared with you, Company A produces movies and Company B creates animations. So when Company A takes over Company B, they will have like both movies and animations in one, just one company, which helps to improve the diversification of the company. So yeah, so that is pretty much everything about mergers and acquisitions, and you can also look for like the famous M&A cases in the business around the world on the internet. And I found this topic really interesting because it shows that the companies, they are really flexible in their strategies, as well as how they can predict and forecast the market trends in order to have effective M&A plans in the future.